Adding a form to your page in GoHighLevel is one of the easiest way to start collecting leads, feedback, and any important information from your visitors. Even if you are completely new to building pages, GoHighLevel makes it simple and intuitive. In this video, I will show you how to add a form step by step so that you can capture information effectively and make your landing pages much more powerful. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button, and remember, if you use our link from the description, you will be use the free trial up to 30 days and you can get the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses that can help you to start using GoHighLevel right away. So now let's back to the step-by-step tutorial. So once you are inside of your GoHighLevel account, and if you just logged in, you can see there is an option for sites in the left side panel. Just click on this, and here you will find there is few options, and from here just click on this form and you will be redirected on this page. Now here what you have to do, I have created some form here, you can see, but to create a new form, just simply click on this add form. Now if you want to use the template, you can select this one from template. There are hundreds of thousands of templates, you can use them. So in this video I'm going to create the form by myself, so I'm just creating this from scratch, and then click on this continue. Here you can see there is a by default form, so this is the basic form. If you want to modify, you can do that. So if I click on this, there is a option to delete. But if I want to add some new section, let's say I want to add here a, what can I add? Let's say I want to add for the address. So I can just go to this plus icon, the element, add element, and here you can see there are lot of elements here. Let's say I want to add here address. So let's drag in and just drop here. See, our address section is just added here. Let's say I want to add for the postcode. Let's add here. Oh, I'm sorry, the postcode was included with the address. So let's say I want to add for date of birth. Let's say I want to know the date of birth of the audience or the visitor. So you can see there is a section for date of birth. So after doing all of this customization, what you can do, just you can save this. Okay, from here you can save this. If you want to view this, you can click on this preview to see, but I have already created some forms, so I'm not going to save this. So let's get back. Now the main part is how you can add this to a page, right? You are here for that. So for that, now here just click on this here for your funnel or website. If you want to add it to your landing page, then go to your funnel, or if you want to add this to a website or the website page, then just go to the websites. And here you can see there is a page in this each website, like here is the 1 page, 7 page in this website, 5 page in this website. You can edit this one by one. So in this tutorial I'm going to use this funnel for my landing page. Let's say this is my landing page for a dental website, and there are 3 options to edit. Just click on this edit here. So this is the landing page for the website, and here you can see there is an option to edit. Now click on this. Now let's say you want to add a form here, right? Now just click on this plus button here, and you can see there is some element, and search for the form, and just simply drag and drop here. Okay, now this element is added, but it's not showing. Don't worry, you have to just select the form because we have multiple form, so we will specifically select one. Just click on this and it will open a pop-up and select your form. Let's say I want to add this one, the easy form, which is the default one, and you can see the form is included to your website. Now this is how you can simply add the form, and if you want to edit this form, you have to go back to the form builder and then you can edit this. And this is how you can do that. And if you want to edit this, you can go here by just simply click on this edit form, and you can edit this or customize this. So that's all basically. And once your form is added in your GoHighLevel, you can start capturing lead immediately, organizing the submissions automatically, and follow up with your contact seamlessly. It's a small step, but it makes a huge difference in growing your business and engaging your audience. Now, if you want to try it yourself, make sure to use our link from the description to get the 30 days free trial and the live bootcamp access, and obviously you will get some exclusive bonuses. So if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.